Hi everyone, welcome to Data Intelligence. Myself Jai. So in this video, I'm going to explain you how to register for the Microsoft Virtual Training Day event to get your free Azure exam voucher. So in my last video, I explained about how to book your Azure Fundamental Examination for free by getting the attendance in Microsoft Virtual Training Day. So here I will show you how to register for this event. So let's get into the video. So here is the link for you to get registered to the virtual training. So I will be providing this link in the description for your reference. Or else what you can do is you can just Google the Microsoft Virtual Training Days, and you can click on the first link which is shown here. So if you click on the first link, the website will open. So here you can see the 5 topics, that is the Microsoft 365, Azure, Power Platform, Dynamics 365 and security. So as we are focusing on the Azure certification, I'm just clicking the Azure. So here you can see the list of trainings provided by the Microsoft. So I have chosen the data fundamentals, which is going to be held on May 3rd and 4th of 2023. So if you click on this link, then the exact page of that particular training will be open. So then you can see the date and the timings, and this times may vary based on your location also, so you have to check it accordingly. And the delivery language would be English. So in this training you will learn the essentials of core database concepts in cloud environments and data services. Okay, and then you will learn about the relational data, non-relational data, and big data and analytics. So here, who should attend? So it's the people who are the database administrator, data engineer, solution architects, business analysts. So who all are interested in data can attend this event. So this is a foundation level course. So the attendee should understand the fundamental scope of technology and opportunity to integrate without a practice or hands-on experience. So this is a fundamental course. So there is no prerequisites for attending this event. Okay, so after completing this training, then you can able to have a good understanding of the relational data concepts and the basic relational database services in Azure, and you will learn about the Azure storages for the non-relational data and Azure Cosmos DB. So to accelerate your knowledge of large-scale data warehousing and the real-time analytics and data visualization, so these are the topics they are going to handle in this training. So it will be really useful if you are preparing for the Azure certification. So here they have splitted the events in part 1 and part 2. Obviously it is day 1 and day 2. So for the day 1 they will have a quick introduction and the explore the fundamentals of data, and there will be a 10 minutes of break, and then you can explore the fundamentals of relational data in Azure. Then we have 10 minutes break, and then with the fundamentals of non-relational data, and there will be a question and answer sessions where you can interact with the training person about your questions and queries. Okay, in the second day, likewise, we can see the introduction part and about the large scale data warehousing, 10 minutes of break, and the fundamentals of real-time analytics and fundamentals of data visualization, and finally it's closing with a question and answers. So likewise this training will go, so it will give you a clear idea what they are going to do, and if you have any questions then you can ask in the session. Okay, so this is all about the training which the Microsoft is going to provide. Okay, so next is the registration form. So here it will be a basic one. You have to give the first name, last name, your mail ID, your country code, and your mobile number, and the job role. So if you are a student, you can just give as a student or any job role what you are currently doing or your previous role and your company name. So if you are a student, then you can just give as a university or your college name, and the country and region and the company size, and you can just click it and you can register. So once you have completed this registration form, you will get your confirmation in your mail. So once you have completed the registration, so you will have a notification that success, you are registered. So you will receive a confirmation email with more details soon. So once you receive this, you will be getting a mail confirmation. So we are glad you are joining the Azure Virtual Training Day. And here you can see the link to add to your calendar, so where you can add the virtual training day event in your Google Calendar or Outlook. So whatever it may be, you can add this event, and you have to register only with the mail ID which you have registered in the same Microsoft Virtual Training Day and also for the Azure certification. So this this both are connected with your mail ID as a login. So be aware that you have to use the same mail ID for both attending the virtual training day and for booking your Azure certification examinations. Okay. So if you have any questions regarding this registration, you can ask me in the comments. I'm happy to help. So do support the Data Intelligence channel. Thanks for watching. So please subscribe and support me. Give a like if you like this video, and if you have any queries, then you can comment. Thanks for watching.